How do you feel about Lala getting married?
I'm so happy because this is a long break coming. Lala's been like my sister from day one, and then seeing this a big day is just so. I'm just so happy for her, and I wish her the best. I wish her a happy married life. I wish her everything good. I wish her continue to bless their home.
So do you think she'll be a playful bride, a
Definitely. I'm
stubborn
not sure she's going to
bride?
post a meme today. She's going to post a meme that who's getting married. That don't trust me. She's going to post something like that today. I am very sure. If it's not for her status.
Lala, I call her Lala. So, her personality, just in one word, she's a very free spirited person, a loving person at that. She's spiritual and she balances spirituality with her social life. When you are close to Lala, I bet with you forget your worries because she shows love, she shows cares, and she's also very friendly. Even the kids love her. So what more do you want of a friend than that? So that makes her special to me. And the vibe. She's all about the vibe. I love that about her.
So what is that one thing you would love to tell her so that she can hear after her wedding?
Um Maybe the fact that I'm our biggest cheerleader. Is that correct? Right. Okay. And that I love her from the bottom of my heart. Like, you don't have to tell me to be a good friend because she is also a good friend. So you don't have to try. It just like it connects.
One, no?
Okay, so after from when she lost her mom, Lala has always been like a sister to me because she has always been like a daughter to my mom because I don't have an elder sister. So Lala was like my older sister, and she's one very playful, caring, supportive person in my life, and I'm just so very happy for her and for everything that happened. I'm so happy for this day because everybody's happy. Even my brothers unfortunately can't be here, but everybody's wishing her the best and they can't wait to see her in this new phase of her life.